This is a tutorial on using reports. Once you log in and you have ensured that you are in the correct term and the correct role, under the Students tab, you can click on Reports. The most helpful report will be one called CRF Not Submitted Student CRF. There's actually two reports. The one, Not Submitted Student CRF, My Students, will pull up your students alone. You don't have to type your name in, you just execute and pull it up. The other report is Not Submitted Student CRF. This one allows you to put in any advisor's name. So if you happen to be covering for somebody who might be on medical leave, this could be a great way to put in somebody else's name and look at results. Once you retrieve your list of students, you can sort on the status column and bring to the top students that have their CRF enabled and have been advised but have not submitted their CRF. So in this example, these first three students were advised on May 10th. Their CRF is enabled, but they have not submitted their CRF. These would be the students that you would want to reach out to and remind them to submit their CRF. You also can contact the student directly by their email from this page.